reaching Shaniwar Wada. Here in front of Shaniwar Wada, and I'll just show you. This is Shaniwar Wada. I don't know whether inside I'll be allowed to shoot or not, but I'll try to. So yeah. The ticket price is 25 rupees, and we have to just get the ticket and get inside. So we already came inside now. Here I'll show you what else is there to see here. So yeah. So Shaniwar Wada is a historical fort where the Peshwas used to reside, and it was built in 1732, and the Peshwas used to reside here till 1818. And so after that, in a few years, an unexplained fire destroyed most of the fort. So still now it can be seen that the whole building is half made of stone, as you can see behind me, half made of stone and the other half in bricks. So that is also a thing to understand, because I just read it in Google. So here they wanted to build the whole building in stone, but some people, some group of people, I don't know exactly, complain that the stone building can only be created or builded by a king and not the Peshwas. So for that reason they could not complete the whole architecture with stone. So they already created the base by stone, but after that they had to continue with the bricks to build the whole structure. So it's a beautiful place, and it's beautiful architecture which you can see. So yeah. So we are just going to leave the place right now, and it's 5:45 right now. The weather is also cooling down, and it's feeling good, because when we came it was very hot that time, but now the weather is cooling down and the breeze is also there. So it's feeling good and feeling nice.